Hello everyone. Here is my initial video tutorial over the classroom. This is the forum that I'm going to be using, so I just wanted to familiarize you with some of the features that I'm attempting to use. Please take everything with a grain of salt. I understand this is all kind of new, definitely new for me, so just bear with me. That's all I ask. So when you first come to your screen in the classroom, I'm not going to put anything under streaming. It'll probably have everything pop up, but the best place to go is the classwork page. When you click on that, you will notice that I will have all of the days that we're expected to be out currently listed by topic. So for the first day that we are expected to be doing work, which is Monday the 23rd, aka tomorrow, I have everything that you need listed under the Remote Learning Day 1 section. So you'll typically find an agenda, some video notes, the same or different set of notes in a form that you don't have to actually listen to me but could read through yourself. There's always going to be a quiz following any of the content information, the note sets, the screencasts of notes, so you're required to make sure that this is done before the next class. You will always have some sort of practice work or some activity that you are expected to do with what we have learned in the first, let's say, 15 minutes of direct instruction. So this should also be completed before the next class. As you can see, it's due by midnight-ish of March 24th. That would let me know that you actively completed the work that needed to be done. And then every week we'll have some sort of extension activity. This will be a running document for all of the weeks that we are out. It is due by midnight on the Friday of whatever that particular week is. So the first extension activity is due by midnight on the 27th. 11:59 p.m. Close enough, right? So I'm trying to make it so every single day is set up in a similar fashion. It'll start with an agenda for what's expected. There'll be some more descriptive directions within that agenda. If you were to click on this, it'll pull up like this, and you should be able to scroll down through. Now every class is going to have some sort of learning objective that's expected of you. So be familiar with what those learning objectives are. And then a to-do list. What is it that you need to get through and do for that particular class in order to be prepped and ready for the following? Okay. Then following that again will be some screencasted notes. That's note sets where I am just like I am right now in the bottom corner here, kind of talking to you and going through the information. I will, when able, provide a printable copy, not that you have to print it, but of just the notes themselves without having to listen to me. Sometimes the note sets you're going to be required to open because I've attached videos to help further your learning. Again, there's going to be some sort of Google form quiz that would let me know that you went through and understood the notes. And then practice work this particular week is going to be just a worksheet that you have to do and turn in. Please do remember to turn in the assignments when you are required. It's very helpful for me, grading purposes and whatnot. And then again, this extension activity is a running document. Once you open it once, there'll be the very first extension activity in there, and then as you turn them in at the end of the week, I will continuously add to it through all of the time that we are going to be out. That's pretty much it. I think I covered just about everything, except if you have questions, please email me. I am more than happy to email you back, and if I can't answer your question within the email, I would gladly try to set up a time where we could have an individual video conference kind of like this, but you'd be on the other end. There's Google Hangouts, Google Meet. There's a lot of great software out there so that we can be communicating to help move you along. Again, this is a work in progress for me. It's all pretty new. If you have suggestions on how I could make it better, I am very, very much open to that. I'm going to wait for this 1 week to go by, and on Friday I'll probably post a anonymous survey that you can fill out so that I can, take your ideas into consideration on how I could improve this whole atmosphere. Okay. I hope you're all well. I miss you dearly, and I look forward to seeing all of your overly talkative faces when we get back. Okay. Signing off, guys. Good luck. Email me if you have questions.